Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we've been out for quite some time again because life has been very busy, but today I want to do an unboxing video of my newly bought Ingenuity Smart Clean Toddler Booster. I got this in Baby Shop. It's actually on sale and it's really good. So I got two of this. I got one and another one. Unfortunately, I don't have another color, but that's fine. I mean, you know, it's just for the boys to sit on, so I don't really mind having the same color. So yes, let's get started. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna unbox these babies, and then we're gonna try it on the seat, on our dining chair, and see how that works. So we're gonna see. Gonna open this up. Apparently there are, you know, other colors. So once I'm done with the unboxing and installation of this Ingenuity Smart Clean Toddler Booster, what happened is that my boys are 2.5 years old and they've actually outgrown their IKEA high chairs. They really don't want to be, you know, sitting in there. So I decided to take the booster seat, you know, while feeding, because it's really difficult to feed the babies without straps. So yeah. So what this toddler booster says, it says on the outside cover is removable insert for easily wipes, clean, harness and straps are machine washable, comfortable seat for toddlers, and this is actually good for 2 years old until 8 years old. It says on the website it's good for 2 to 8 years old. Let's just open this up. Okay, I don't see anything. Okay. Oh, ta-da! So this is, I believe, the insert, removable insert. It's actually cushiony. It's like plastic, but it feels soft. And what we have here, we have, okay, let's remove this. So this is the manufacturer's contact information card. Just put it there. Warning, prevent serious injury or death from sliding out, falls, or tipping over. Do not leave the child unattended. So, of course, you don't want to leave your baby unattended. It's going to remove a lot. Easy to clean. So, inside the box, there's also a manual. I believe how to install it properly on your chair. I mean, on your dining chair. Apparently, my dining chair doesn't look like this, but I'm gonna show you. Okay, just I'm reading how to install it. Okay, let's go install this thing. So before I do the installation, let me do, so this is the harness. I believe this is adjustable. Uh-oh, why doesn't it want to go? Yeah, so this one is adjustable. There you go, that is adjustable. So I'm gonna adjust it according to my babies. Yeah, this one is a little bit adjustable, but not really. So this is the insert. It has a hole in here, you can just remove it. But I'm gonna keep it in here, see how my babies are going to be doing this. And then at the back, this is one of the harness for the chairs, and there's a second one under. So let's get the chair and do the installation. This is actually my dining chair. In most cases, this is an office chair, but we use it for dining. So let's see if I can try to install this toddler booster seat. There you go. I'm gonna remove the strap. And it goes in the back. So I believe this goes in the back. The harness are adjustable as well. So you can actually adjust it based on your chair's width. Let me see if this is gonna be fine. Yep, that's it guys. So it's actually very quick and actually really sturdy. And I put in the straps in here on the side and actually at the back. So one is in here at the back and the other one is actually down. Let's put this to test. Sit down. Hi guys! Hi guys! This is Amir. So let's try to sit you in here, baby. Wow! Wow! Good job! Wow! That's awesome! Nice! You like it? You like it? I think he does like it. So if you can see, Amir is 2.5 years old. So, sure, you like it? I think he likes the chair. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. She's saying, you like it in your chair? You like it in... Question mark. Okay, so yeah, it's really, really easy to put it in and to take it out whenever we need a space. I think I'm gonna let go of my IKEA high chairs now because my boys totally love this.
The big bad mouse.
You're the big bad mouse. Hi guys. Okay guys, I think that's just about it. That's how to install the toddler booster Ingenuity Smart Clean. So it's really easy. Actually, you don't need a manual to do the installation and everything. And I'm gonna do a full review about the product once we get to use it on a daily basis. So I hope if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please make sure you do subscribe so you get notifications whenever we do upload new videos. And yes, I guess you have a good day.